forehand approach and hits a drop.
Look at this shot. Talk about putting a little English on the ball. Look at that backspin.
Good disguise too. I like the stamp of the right foot when he hits this drop shot. It's a big stamp, like he's going to hit an aggressive slice deep.
Little salt in the wounds there with that.
Well, the sight of the unusual, many thought this was going to be a drop shot.